Okay, non-school day, October 20th, on the move. Lesson 2, this one's all about the loon. And the eagle is a national bird, the loon is our state bird. So that's why I chose these two birds for this particular day. So the lesson is information on loons, and you'll need a computer so that you can listen to loon calls. It has another Ed Helper story for step 2 to answer questions on the loon. The big thing about loons is their migration. Their migration is way different than other birds. Other birds will go to South America, but the loons will stay in North America wherever the water is running. If they have open water, that will be their new resting spot. They don't nest, they don't have babies here, they only have families when they come up to the northern states and into Canada. So that was a pretty interesting fact. And the other part of that migration and moving is the color of their feathers. In the summertime, this is what we see for our loons, the beautiful black with the white specks. In the wintertime, they change their color. They actually lose all of their feathers and grow shorter, lighter feathers for their winter time. Then in the spring, they have to grow these feathers all back again, get rid of the smaller feathers so that they can fly north. This coat of feathers is not long distance flying. Okay? The other interesting thing was why loons make their nest on the water's edge. Sometimes they make their nest on islands, and sometimes people help create the islands for the loons to be able to nest. In this class, you will be making a loon's nest right on the tabletop in groups. You'll have small strings with a little yellow yarn piece. I think all of them have yellow, but you have a yarn piece that shows the middle. So when you lay that down on the table, my table's a little thinner than the lunchroom table, you put all the small yarns in the middle. Then you'll see what the circumference of the loon's nest is. And you'll compare that to a hummingbird's nest, which is only about 2 inches big, right? Then there's a sheet in here with some loon facts to tell you any more information, but the best part is there's 3, I think, websites on there, and one of them talks about the loons and shows all these pictures of the loons in winter, and I believe it's in the middle of the United States even. I was really surprised to see that some of them only go as far as Oklahoma for their nesting spot. Wherever there's open water, running water. That's it. Have fun.